news happening. The boat is still pretty much undone. It is expected. I forgot to film about this news. I've been doing so many other things. So I got into school. I enrolled in a boat building school, Omnia, here in near Helsinki. So that will be very good for the project future. I can learn new skills. I can learn everything I need to know about building a boat, maintaining a boat, and also it gives me a profession. So then I will be officially a boat builder. The best part of being a boat builder, so yes, I know what I'm doing, but also if I get excited about the field itself, I can always apply for any job in the field, so I can actually start doing it full time, which is a dream job. So that is big news. Also, the boat build is now slowed down due to weather, finances, and work that I had to be doing. I hope by the Christmas that I'm on full speed ahead, and also I started doing some furniture, as I talked earlier. So I took some of the wood, checked the quality, and I took some of the decent ones of the big stock, but also I kind of like what were on the top of the pile, so I don't have to start digging around too much. So I chose the few pieces, and then there was some maple mixed with the oak. So I did table, cut them, saw them, and I'm gonna show you later, either in this video or next video. I'm not sure yet how long, because I have the material for the boat building and for the table building so much. But what I wanted to do is to refurbish my skills and see if I still can hold a chisel and setting paper and so on and so forth. So I took some of the wood that I had in the furniture. I'm hoping to sell it, make some money, and also help the boat project with that money. It's very late here. I'm very tired, but I wanted to do this video, so here we go.
I arrived to the warehouse where the old owner kept the stuff from the boat, and there's plenty of stuff and lots of usable stuff, lots of stuff that I cannot use, but you can see that here we have engine parts that are necessary, some ropes, old cushions won't be used. This is a winch for the anchor chain, water pump, I assume, water heater, small one, some exhaust parts, at least by the looks of it. I can definitely use those, and there are some parts for the turning adjustable propeller for the boat, but yeah, I'll dig into it. Let's see what I can find. lots of stuff. Good that I came here before I went to a shop. There's lots of sanding gear, paper, and so I'm gonna need lots of them. Missing engine parts that they were missing, and I think this should get me started at least on the sanding part. Yeah, I have to come back with a bigger car and see what I actually need and what goes to garbage. But there is lots of stuff, and it was just a quick little peek. I'm gonna take some of them with me, so we're gonna get started. Yeah, I decided to keep the boat in water because climbing up and down the stairs is gonna be very inconvenient. So as it's strong enough to stay in the water in ice during the winter, so I'm gonna take advantage of that and build it while in water. So found a charger, which was my next purchase, and no need for that, so nice surprise. I'm super happy. There we go. I took some stuff. There's junk. Necessary, unnecessary, but I think ropes. I'll just have to fit them all in my car. It's always the same issue. I just came to see, but I cannot leave without taking something with me.